Ever felt like you're trying to fit a square peg into a round hole when it comes to managing your business? The feeling where your software just doesn't quite get it? You're juggling sales, inventory, accounting, maybe even manufacturing, and it all feels like a chaotic symphony where half the instruments are out of tune. Well, you're not alone. And if you're looking at enterprise resource planning or ERP systems, chances are you've stumbled across two giants, Odoo and NetSuite. But here's the real question. Which one is the right instrument for your business orchestra? Is Odoo, with its open-source flexibility, the conductor you need? Or is NetSuite, the cloud-based powerhouse, the seasoned maestro? Let's be honest, choosing an ERP system is a massive decision. It's like choosing the foundation of your business. Get it wrong and you're building on shaky ground. Get it right and you're setting yourself up for scalable, efficient growth. Now, before we dive into a head-to-head comparison, let's understand why these two systems are even in the same conversation. They both aim to streamline business processes, integrate departments, and provide real-time insights. They both promise to be the central hub for your company's data. But that's where the similarities start to fade. Think of it like this. NetSuite is like a high-end, all-inclusive resort. Everything is provided, meticulously managed, and ready to go. You pay a premium, but you get a seamless, comprehensive experience. Odoo, on the other hand, is like a customizable toolkit. You have a vast array of tools at your disposal, and you can build exactly what you need. It might require more effort, but the result is a solution tailored to your specific requirements. Let's break this down further, starting with deployment and accessibility. NetSuite is a cloud-based system, meaning it's accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This offers convenience and scalability, especially for businesses with remote teams or multiple locations. You don't have to worry about server maintenance or software updates. NetSuite handles it all. Odoo, while offering cloud hosting, also allows for on-premise deployment. This gives you greater control over your data and infrastructure, which can be crucial for businesses with strict security or compliance requirements. However, it also means you're responsible for the technical aspects of running the system. Now, let's talk about customization and flexibility. Odoo's open-source nature is its superpower. It allows for extensive customization, meaning you can adapt the system to fit your unique business processes. You can develop custom modules, modify existing ones, and integrate with other applications. This flexibility is particularly valuable for businesses with niche requirements or complex workflows. NetSuite, while offering some customization options, is more rigid. It's designed to be a standardized solution, which can be advantageous for businesses that want to follow best practices. However, it can also be limiting for those with highly specialized needs. Then, there's the module ecosystem and functionality. Both Odoo and NetSuite offer a wide range of modules covering various business functions, including accounting, CRM, inventory management, manufacturing, and e-commerce. However, the depth and breadth of these modules can vary. NetSuite is known for its strong financial management and e-commerce capabilities. It's often the preferred choice for larger enterprises with complex accounting and reporting needs. Odoo, on the other hand, boasts a vast library of community-developed modules. This means you can find solutions for almost any business need, often at a lower cost than NetSuite's proprietary modules. However, the quality and reliability of these community modules can vary. Let's address the elephant in the room: cost. NetSuite operates on a subscription-based model, with pricing based on the number of users and the modules you need. It can be a significant investment, especially for smaller businesses. Odoo's pricing structure is more flexible. The open-source version is free, and the enterprise version offers additional features and support for a subscription fee. This can make Odoo a more budget-friendly option, particularly for startups and small to medium-sized businesses. But cost isn't just about the initial purchase. It's also about implementation, training, and ongoing maintenance. NetSuite's implementation can be complex and time-consuming, requiring specialized consultants. Odoo's implementation can be more straightforward, especially if you have in-house technical expertise. Now, let's consider scalability and growth. Both systems are designed to scale with your business. NetSuite is built for enterprise-level scalability, handling large volumes of data and complex transactions. Odoo can also scale, but it may require more customization and optimization as your business grows. Think of it this way. If you're a rapidly growing startup with ambitious expansion plans, NetSuite's robust infrastructure might be a safer bet. If you're a smaller business with a more controlled growth trajectory, Odoo's flexibility and lower cost could be more appealing. What about user experience and interface? NetSuite's interface is designed to be comprehensive and feature-rich. It can be overwhelming for new users, but it offers a wealth of information and functionality. Odoo's interface is more modern and intuitive, making it easier for users to navigate and learn. Consider the support and community. NetSuite offers dedicated support through its subscription plans, including phone, email, and online resources. Odoo has a large and active community, providing support through forums, documentation, and community-developed modules. However, the level of support can vary depending on the community member providing assistance. So, where does this leave us? Is Odoo better than NetSuite? The answer, as you might have guessed, is it depends. It depends on your specific business needs, budget, and technical expertise. If you're a large enterprise with complex financial requirements and a need for a robust, standardized solution, NetSuite might be the better choice. If you're a small to medium-sized business with a need for flexibility, customization, and a lower cost of ownership, Odoo could be the ideal fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.